Do you need a brow lift, an upper eyelid blepharoplasty, or both? So that's a frequent question that I am asked, and let me kind of help break it down for you. So when we age and as our faces get older, we develop too much extra upper eyelid skin. Our eyebrows often also fall. So in other words, we have too much forehead skin and our eyebrows begin to fall too low, and we have too much upper eyelid skin which bunches up above our upper eyelid lashes and can make it difficult to wear eyeliner. So what we want to do to fix those problems is both elevate the eyebrows to where they're supposed to be and get rid of that extra upper eyelid skin. So if when you're looking in a mirror and you lift your eyebrow up to where you want your eyebrows to be and all the extra skin of your upper eyelid goes away, you probably need a brow lift to help get your eyebrows and your eyelids looking the way you want to look. If you're happy with your eyebrow position and you don't need a brow lift, then if you just have extra skin of your upper eyelid, perhaps all you need is an upper eyelid blepharoplasty. One of the easiest ways to figure out whether or not you need a brow lift is whether or not you have a lateral crease or lateral hooding. So as we get older and our foreheads get too long and fall, there'll be this crease or fold along our lateral upper eyelid that extends out onto our cheek or our temporal region. An upper eyelid blepharoplasty cannot fix that crease or that fold on our on our cheek temporal region, which is caused by the forehead falling. So the only way to fix that deep lateral fold or crease is to lift the forehead back up where it is supposed to be. So any lateral hooding of your upper eyelid region may mean you actually need a brow lift to fix that problem. And if you need a brow lift, I always do the brow lift first. I'll do them at the same time. But the brow lift is the first operation I do because I first want to get your get your eyebrows up to where we want them, where they look good, and that will change the amount of extra skin we need to remove from your upper eyelids. Meaning the amount of extra skin of your upper eyelids will decrease as we get your eyebrows up to where they are supposed to be. So that's why it's important before you have an upper eyelid blepharoplasty to first make sure you don't need a forehead lift or brow lift as well, because that needs to be performed first so we can determine how much extra skin your upper eyelids actually have once your eyebrows are up to the appropriate location. So I hope that helps shed some light on whether you need an upper blepharoplasty, a brow lift, or both. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a question on our SpeakPipe on our blog. You can also submit a virtual consult, which would help us figure out what you need by looking at photographs of your face. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.